The best way to get urine stains and smell out of mattress. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification icon, so you can get more updates and upcoming videos. With kids and pets in the house, it's almost inevitable that you'll end up having to deal with a bedwetting incident at some point. Urine stains can cause unpleasant stains and smells that set in fast, so the quicker you can treat a stained mattress, the better. To avoid this, act fast and use these tips to clean stains from a mattress. Also, you can get some of the item mentioned in this video by following the link in the description below. Use a dry towel to lightly blot up the excess urine, then strip the bed. You can also use plain water to rinse the area, before trying one of the cleaners described. Avoid rubbing the stain, as this will only spread the urine deeper into the mattress. Sprinkle baking soda onto the affected area. Rub the baking soda over the areas, working into mattress well, to absorb the remaining moisture. Let dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Vacuum or brush off any remaining baking soda powder. Once again, use plain water to rinse the area. Then, by using a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, vacuum the area to remove the moisture. Spray Rocco and Roxy Professional Strength Stain and Odor Eliminator onto the stain, and leave to sit for 5 minutes. Always carefully follow the instructions on the product packaging, be sure to wear protective gloves, and open the windows for ventilation. You should use enough of the stain remover to counterbalance the amount of urine that has soaked into the mattress, before leaving to air dry. For a better result, you can repeat step 1 to step 3, before leaving to air dry.